I heard it roaring up the interstate like a freight train.
Tremendous amounts of hail the way it sounds right now over top Bristol. I'm not sure if that isn't like strong winds.
15 years ago, on April 27th and 28th, 2011, 11 tornadoes touched down in northeast Tennessee and southwest Virginia. 4 of those tornadoes became deadly, killing 14 people. 3 of the tornadoes were EF3 strength, with winds ranging between 135 and 165 miles per hour. One of the deadliest tornadoes occurred in Washington County, Virginia, in the early morning hours of April 28th. The tornado was on the ground approximately 17 miles, making this the longest track tornado ever recorded in Washington County, Virginia. The 140-mile-per-hour wind speeds produced extensive damage to many homes and businesses. The tornado crossed Interstate 81 at the Glade Spring exit, causing extensive damage to the Petro truck stop, as well as flipping trucks on the property. 3 people died and 50 people were injured by this monster tornado. Storm Track 5 Chief Meteorologist Dave Dirks recalls how there was just one supercell storm right after another.
Once the first warning was issued, early in the evening, we were on the air from that point all the way through the evening and until after midnight. So it was really something we didn't have a whole lot of time to get real scared about. We knew something really bad was happening because we were having so many tornado warnings issued, one right after the other. And I can remember, I think there were 4 tornado warnings just for where we were, here in Bristol, and that was the case for many of our counties of northeast Tennessee and southwestern Virginia.
My grandmother, Phyllis Branscombe, has lived in Glade Spring, Virginia most of her life. She remembers the night of the tornadoes very well.
I heard it roaring up the interstate like a freight train. I took a dive into the house and jumped into the closet. I have never seen a storm like that. I was truly blessed that nothing happened here, but I had lost some friends and lots of homes were destroyed.
Thankfully, her house was left unscathed, even as many homes just up the road were destroyed under the powerful 140-mile-per-hour winds. The Glade Spring community has built back, while the lives of the residents have been changed forever. It's a night that our region will never forget. Reporting in Glade Spring, Virginia, Kit Alexander, News 5, WCYB.